ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delit Zahir, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Livestock vaccination campaign in my Aini subzone. Good progress in microdam construction in central Donkalia. Israel bombarded Hezbollah targets rising in southern Lebanon. Erdogan and Putin discussed Syrian stability, Black Sea security in Cole. On our local news, a livestock vaccination campaign against various animal diseases was carried out on 14 administrative areas in Ma'aini subzone. Mr. Walid Abbas Safau, head of the Animal Health Branch, noted that around 17,000 livestock were vaccinated during the campaign, which continued until this week. Mr. Walid Abbas stated that the animal diseases can have a significant impact on livestock health unless swift treatment and containment measures are implemented. He urged farmers in general and pastoralists in particular to follow up on vaccination programs and ensure their livestock are vaccinated on time. The beneficiaries on their part expressed appreciation for the vaccination campaigns, noting that health of their livestock is in good condition. They reiterated their commitment to support the success of the campaigns in the future. The construction of microdams in Ramda, central Donkalia subzone, is progressing well according to Mr. Marhawi Isaac, an engineer in the charge of the project. Mr. Marhawi stated that microdams are being built in collaboration with the public and members of the defense forces, and that 40% of the construction has been successfully completed. The dam is expected to store 280,000 cubic meters of water up on its completion in June. Mr. Adam Abdullah, the managing director in the subzone, noted that the dam will serve as a source of water both for livestock and villagers of Kimbra, Dud, Asabay, Hirkoma, and Ramda. Engineer Omar Mahmouz, acting director of the Land and Agricultural Department in the Southern Red Sea region, indicated that the microdam will play a vital role in enhancing the small-scale agricultural activities currently underway in the area. The viewers will be back with the international news shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Smoke bombs were seen rising in the southern Lebanon on Friday as Israel bombarded Hezbollah targets in the area after intercepting a rocket fired from the northern neighboring, and the Israeli military said, although Hezbollah denied involvement in the incident. It came as Israel warned on Friday it would attack a building belonging to Hezbollah in the southern Beirut suburb and ordered residents to evacuate, its first such move since November ceasefire that has been seriously disrupted over the past week. Israel had vowed a strong response to protect its security in what amounts to the farther below to the shaky ceasefire deal between the sides that ended a year-long war and spillover of the Israeli-Hamas conflict in Gaza. A senior Hezbollah official denied in a statement that the group was involved in Friday's rocket launch, which following a rocket salvo in the northern Israel on March 22nd, for which the Iranian-backed group also denied responsibility. On our last news, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan and Russian President Vladimir Putin on Friday that cooperation between Turkey and Russia is crucial for ensuring peace and stability in Syria, according to a statement from Erdogan's office. In a phone call with Putin, Erdogan underscored the importance of Ankara and Moscow working together to achieving lasting stability in Syria while upholding the country's territorial integrity, and statement said. He said Turkey and Russia could jointly encounter efforts to destabilize Syria by fueling ethnic and sectarian division, and called for complete lifting of the sanction imposed on the country. The Turkish president described Turkey-Russia cooperation as a key factor in addressing regional challenges and reaffirming Turkey's active role in monitoring the conflict. He expressed Ankara's readiness to host peace negotiations for just lasting resolution. Erdogan has highlighted the importance of ensuring security in Black Sea, particularly for commercial navigation, and said Turkey remains committed to preventing the region from becoming a conflict zone. Meanwhile, Putin and Erdogan discussed the outcome of the recent consultations between Russia and the US groups in Riyadh, according to the Russian media reports. Putin also shared his statement with the Turkish leader on ongoing dialogue with Washington on resolving conflicts in Ukraine and discussed renewing the Black Sea Initiative on a safe navigation. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Livestock vaccination campaign in Ma'in subzone. Good progress in microdam construction in central Antalya. Israel bombarded Hezbollah targets rising in southern Lebanon. And Erdogan and Putin discuss Syria's stability, Black Sea security, and phone call. That wraps up our source for tonight. Thanks for watching and have a good night.